Hi guys, my name is Dana here with Platforum, showing you how you can add a new service to your store on the Platforum. So first we're going to go ahead and go to app.theplatform.net/shop. And when it loads, you should get this page, and this is the main page, and you can see all the other services that are being offered on the platform. But what we're going to go ahead and do today is go to My Store over here. However, if you don't have an account already and you don't see your name here, why don't you go ahead and look at our other video in the link down below to see how you can set up your own account. So if you already have your account, we're going to go to My Store, My Services. And here you can see My Store, and as you can tell, I have a few options available for sale. And one thing I really want to add today is an intermediate graphic design. I have a basic and I have a complex, but I don't really have one for in between. So I'm going to go ahead and say add a service. And I'm going to title it graphic design intermediate. And for the description, I'm going to copy and paste exactly what I had from the other two. For the category, I'm going to put graphic design. And for the price, I'm going to say $45. And then this is where you're going to add a photo. I already have one over here, so I'm just going to drag and drop them in. But of course, you can click and open up your search tab to find something you need to. And then I'm going to push add. And that's it. Now you have another service. And as you can tell, there it is, graphic design intermediate with my photo. And that's all you need to do. Thank you guys so much for listening. I hope this helped. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment down below or check us out on Facebook. Bye!